According to the definition coined by the United Nations, poverty is not merely the lack of sufficient financial resources, but it also entails the deprivation due to inadequate availability of basic needs, being health and education. The recent statistics has revealed that out of the total world population, 11% people are living below the poverty line, with 122 women between ages 25 to 34 fighting against adverse conditions. The United Nations has clearly mentioned, if no concrete steps are taken today, then by 2030, 160 million children will suffer on the hands of poverty.
In light of this, United Nations SDGs have poverty at the top of list, adhering to the notion of no poverty by creating sound policy frameworks at national and regional levels. Based on pro-poor and gender-sensitive development strategies, the government of Pakistan has introduced the Social Safety Net program like Benazir Income Support Program. Launched in 2008, it is a targeted unconditional cash transfer program. The short-term goals target the local populations while the long-term goal is to meet the SDGs designed by United Nations. BISP is exclusively women-based support program. It targets the marginalized sections of the society suffering because of the poverty. With headquarters based in the federal capital, it operates through 6 regional offices, 33 divisional offices and 385 tehsil offices. The process of creating the database started in 2010 and 11 with the assistance of the World Bank. After this door-to-door survey, the data of 27 million households was collected through paper and pen-based personal interviewing. Today, BISP has the largest database. More than 5 million families in 149 districts are enjoying the benefits of the regular stipend. This is provided under 2 different cash transfer programs, namely Unconditional Cash Transfer Program and the Conditional Cash Transfer. Under the former, the female head of the family receives an amount of Rs 5,000 on quarterly basis to meet the essential needs of her family. Parallel to the basic unconditional cash transfer component, BISP has initiated a set of complementary programs. The most prominent among these is the conditional cash transfer for education through Wasila Taaleem. It is part of the graduation strategy that helps in reaching the human development goals. Launched in February 2018, this program is now running in 50 different districts of the country and supports the primary education of the children between 4 to 12 years. Under this program, a conditional stipend of Rs 750 quarterly is given to the children. Hence, BISP is also supporting SDGs related to education and gender equality. The organization is a call center to assist the beneficiaries whenever they need help. With BISP, we hope to have a happier Pakistan where smiles would not fade away.